Hi! For this video I want to review a product that has been hyped for a very long time. I'm kind of late to this whole trend, but I want to try it out. I'm talking about the Schwarzkopf Glued Water Resistance Spiking Glue. A lot of people use this product for brows, the feathery type of brow. If you follow me, you know that I love that style. And I usually use soap, or recently I started using the Brow Freeze by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Nothing holds my brows the way I want them to, so I have faith in this product. I have high hopes. I have pretty thick brows, so they grow downwards, they don't want to stay like I want them to stay, and hopefully this is going to help me fix my brows into place. I'm also going to do a wear test. I'm going to wear these for a few hours. I'm not sure yet how long, but whatever. It's 1 p.m. right now. I started filming pretty late. This is pretty affordable. It's something around $6. I mean, depending on the store and probably depending on the country as well. I'm just talking about the pricing in Romania, in my country. I'm literally so excited. I have really high hopes for this because it's such a hyped product. I'm just going to... I'm not sure how am I supposed to do this. Should I apply this whole blob to my brow, or should I... Yeah, okay, I'm going to do that. I'm excited. So I'm going to rub it and coat my brow into this product first. And then I'm going to try to flatten my brow to my skin using my fingers, because I applied a little bit too much. Like I feel like it's too much product there. I really hope this works. I don't know who discovers these things. Just curious. So at first it's pretty thin, pretty watery in consistency, but then it kind of hardens and kind of fixes the brow in place. I'm not sure how I feel about it though. I think I'm going to go in with a tiny bit more on the tail, because the hairs are not sticking. Just going to flatten them with my finger. This tail does not want to stick. Let me just try and calm them a little bit more. I love how it dries down to kind of a very hard finish, like if you can feel they are stiff. And it smells like glue. There's something about this tail, man. It just doesn't want to stick. I took a little bit more to try to make this tail stick. Definitely don't layer it as much as I did, because I feel like it kind of crumbles and falls apart. I think I'm going to leave it like this, but I need to wipe the skin around my brows, because it doesn't feel like foundation is going to stick to that area. I will use some micellar water on a cotton pad and wipe the excess around my brows. Trying not to touch the brow and wipe off the hair gel. Man, I really hope this lasts. For the filling in part, I will attempt to use this Catrice brow definer. Usually doesn't work for me, but I'll try my best. And I will just draw. Like, see, it's not... nothing comes out. What is wrong with this? It's kind of dried, even though I barely used it. And it's not old either. Just drawing some hair strokes. I'm concentrating on this arch, because this arch is kind of too arched on this particular brow, and I'm trying to make it look a little bit more straight. Here in the front I have a sparse area that I will be filling in. Let's see if I can flatten the arch a little bit. Oh, they feel so stiff, I love it. Yep. That's the brow. I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup and we'll see how this wears. Hopefully it wears well, because So far I really like it. They feel really stiff and just... it feels like it's gonna hold. I really have high hopes for this. Okay, I finished my makeup. I did my other brow. My brows are looking great. I really love them. I just hope this wears well. It feels very stiff. I really love how it feels. They feel very promising, to be honest. But I'm going to wear this look for a few hours, and I'm going to come back and let you know how it wears. I really have high hopes for this. Hope it works. Anyways, see you later. Okay, it's been about 7 hours, I think. Yeah, it's 8 p.m. right now. Really love this product. I mean, the brows look just like in the beginning. I mean, nothing's changed. I just finished a workout. I am a little bit sweaty. The brows are still on, and I think I can say this is the best product that I've tried in the setting category. I'm sorry about my budgies. As soon as I turn on the lights, they get all active and noisy. But yeah, this is golden. If you have thick brows and you have never managed to tame them like this, give this product a try and let me know how it goes. I don't think I'll use anything else for my brows. This is perfect. Absolutely love it. And yeah, that's it. I'm so happy that I discovered a gem today. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope it was useful. And I'll just go remove my makeup and take a shower because it's needed. And I'm also going to wash my hair. And I got a lot of hair products and I'm so excited to try. So yeah, this is going to be my evening. Yeah, that's it. Hope you have an awesome day or evening or whatever, whenever you're watching this. See you next time. Bye.